Overwhelmed by results day? Take a breath. You've got time. This is not the end. It's not even a semicolon, let alone a full stop. It's a moment in time where you have options. So if you've got all the grades you want and you know what you want to do, fantastic. But bear in mind, you might change your mind, and that's fine too. But let's talk about if you haven't got the grades. If you were expecting something and didn't receive it, the first thing you're going to feel is this immense feeling of, oh God, what am I going to do? Take a breath. This is not a time to make decisions when you're highly stressed. It's a time to say, okay, what are my options? That's always a much better question. And your options are vast. So make sure you talk to people who have your vested interest at heart. School or college, they will have the information that they are used to giving out and dealing with people when they don't get the grades. They're the experts. They go through this every year. Parents are a great resource as long as they're not so stressed themselves they can't put you first. So if you're in that position, find another adult, find a friend, find someone who can talk you down off the ledge into a place of feeling grounded. We have a rule in our house. We don't make big decisions after 8 o'clock. And that's because we're knackered and we tend to make bad decisions. The same is for panic. You don't need to decide anything now. The question to ask yourself are, what are my options? And go from there.